It gives us immense pleasure to introduce you to Moja's Shelter. In many languages of the world, the word Moja is used for mother. For example, in an African dialect and in Kashmir, in the region of South Asia, Moja is the word spoken for mother. Hence, in English, we can refer to it as motherhood. Moja's Shelter was started in 2005 and consequently registered in Pakistan in 2007 and later in Australia in the year 2009. Moja's Shelter is a multi-purpose organization, but its main focus is on providing relief to orphaned children, widows, and all poor people living below the poverty line. Furthermore, Moja's Shelter is working towards rehabilitating those affected by natural disasters such as the severe earthquake of 2005, which devastated the northern areas of Pakistan, leaving some 75,000 dead and many maimed and crippled, thus rendering them disabled and helpless and greatly in need of specialized support. At the time when the earthquake struck, Moja's Shelter was only a few months old. However, its volunteers worked tirelessly with great speed, devotion, and dedication to provide the desperately needed relief, not only in the form of essential goods, but also with the urgently needed cash. We are pleased that the work to establish an orphanage has already commenced. Initially, a permanent construction of 4 rooms is underway, with a further construction of 2 rooms of a semi-permanent nature. These rooms are to accommodate orphans from all over Pakistan. Currently, there are children living there who were found helpless and on their own in the areas of Swat and Peshawar in Pakistan after the terrorist attacks. Moja's Shelter not only intends to provide food and shelter, but to train these children with adequate skills in order to enable them to become independent and earn their own livelihood. It is for this purpose that Moja's Shelter has established a computer center and a vocational center where the boys and girls may choose a field according to their aptitude.
अब तक ये मोजाज शेल्टर बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहा है। हम लोग चाहते हैं कि बहुत से ऐसे इलाकों में मोजाज शेल्टर कायम किए जाए जहां लोगों को फ़ायदा हो।
Moja's Shelter wants to appeal in earnest to all humanity to step forward for the betterment of such children and together with us give them hope for a better future. According to a newspaper report published in March 2009, the number of orphan children and widows is likely to rise to a figure in millions. The main reasons being terrorist activities, road accidents, and natural calamities such as floods, earthquakes, and epidemics. In the quest to earn bread and butter for their families, men spend a major portion of their time out of the home as compared to women. This obviously increases their risk of becoming targets more readily of the aforementioned activities and disasters. At the outset, Moja's Shelter held free medical camps in the slum areas of the country. However, the newspaper report mentioned earlier has motivated the team to work speedily and efficiently for the cause of the orphans and widows. Moja's Shelter is most grateful to God for bestowing on us this courage to work tirelessly towards our goal. After watching our efforts, if you kindly donate $1 a day to Moja's Shelter, it will enable us to achieve our target more rapidly to accommodate orphans of the world. Adults can express their suffering adequately, as opposed to infants, toddlers, and a child of only a few years. These young ones are not equipped to share their distress and ask for help.
अच्छा अम्मा जी ठीक है
To help these children, please come forward to reach them through Moja's shelter. You are requested to kindly send your donations to the following accounts. Moja's shelter, account number 0602 22503, Habib Bank Limited, Melody Branch, Civic Centre, Islamabad, Pakistan. In Australia, Moja's shelter, account number 062 147 102 00633, Commonwealth Bank, Sydney, Australia. Please also visit us at mojas.gov, that is mojas.gov, to access these account numbers again. Thank you.